Hi everyone, it's Momo. Recently, I found out that one of my favorite store, Muji, started selling online in Australia. So that's really exciting. For those who don't know, Muji is a Japanese retail company that sells lots of different stuff like clothes, stationery, and household stuff. And also, Muji in Japanese means no logo. So all of their items has no logo, so it's very simple and minimalistic design. So it's very nice. So I've ordered some things online and just arrived, so I want to show you what I got. And here is the box that came in. Has fragile stickers on it. And I'm just gonna got lots of papers. Okay, the first item I got some slippers. It just says cushions, slipper. I got them because these are on sale and I think the color is really nice. And these come in different sizes, and this one is size small, which is 20 to 23.5 centimeters, which is perfect for me. And next, I got some toner. I've never tried this one. Currently, the one I'm using just called Moisture, but this one, it says High Moisture. And I'm almost out of the current one, so I'm excited to use this one. Next one, I actually got two of these. I'm just gonna open it. So these are just clear drawers. Has instruction inside. The good thing about this one, you can actually change the direction. So you can use it this way. Or if you wanted to sit this way, you can just have this drawer go that way. And for this drawer, I would probably use it to keep my face cream and hand creams. It actually fits perfectly. And probably my glasses too. And I actually bought two of these. And the last item I have, I'm just gonna open it. I bought this little shelf, so if you have some drawer, you can put them on top and just sit it on the desk or your bedside table. There's also another item that I've been loving a lot that I also got it from Muji, is this little drawers. You can get them in either 3 or 5, I think, but I use them to keep my wallets and cards that I'm not using. And on the other drawers, you can buy inserts, and I put my rings, earrings, and bracelets. And you can also get another insert, so you can put your necklace and bracelets. So this one is really good for your bedside table. And what's also really good about Muji is a lot of their things are stackable, or you can mix and match. So the drawer I bought this time, I can actually put them underneath. So it depends on what you need, you can mix and match. So that was few items I got from Muji this time. It's definitely one of my favorite store for storage and everyday things. It's really nice to know that they have online store now in Australia. They have a lot more stuff in actual store than online, but still it was really nice to know that you can get some stuff online. And also if you wanted to buy bigger items, you can get them delivered to your house, so that's really awesome. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.